Hi, I am Nir Hoffer, Director Mergers and Acquisitions in Stratasys. My background is in finance, I have no prior knowledge in design, creation, and I have never used a 3D printer in my life. When Guy, my firstborn child, was 8 years old, he was exposed to the magical world of comics for the first time. He decided that he wanted to create a character of his own, and this is how Pigman was born. His classmates were thrilled, and they started following Pigman and its adventures. It was Guy's dream to make Pigman a reality. When I joined Stratasys, I was first exposed to PolyJet technology, which enables multicolor and multi-material printing for prototyping and design purposes. That's when I realized that Stratasys technology can make this dream come true. I could not imagine how simple the process to create this model was going to be. Without any background in design, it only took me about an hour to design Pigman. It was just a click of a button to send it to the printer, and on the very same day, receive the final model, which was exactly as Guy would have imagined it. When Guy unboxed the printed model, his reaction was completely priceless.
Wow!
He could not believe that he was holding Pigman in his hand. If I can do it, anyone can.
Make it with Stratasys.